Hi, welcome back to my artificial intelligence tutorial channel. Today we will show you how to create an anime animation video using totally free AI tools. This video will be divided into 3 parts. In part 1 we will create a video script using Chatgpt and Google Bard. In part 2 we will create an audio file using free text-to-speech AI. Oh wait a minute. I have spent hours crafting this free tutorial just for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like and comment? Thank you so much. Part 1. Create video script using AI. To create our video script we can use Chatgpt, Google Bard, or Nolan AI. However, in this tutorial, we will only try Chatgpt and Bard AI. To create our video script, simply describe the kind of video you want, its topic, target, age, number of words, or any other details you'd like to add. Now let's try using the same prompt with Google Bard AI. Select the best script that matches your needs. You can find all the links for this tutorial in the video description. Part 2. Create audio using AI. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use this free text-to-speech AI. To use this AI tool you need to register using your email or Gmail account. After the registration process is complete, go to your AI tools dashboard and select the AI text dubbing menu. Paste your AI-generated script from part 1. Select the character tone. And click the audition button to listen to your voice selection. Once everything is okay, click the confirm button and download your AI voice. Part 3. Create animation using Adobe. Now go to the animation for YouTube page. To use this free animation tool you will need an Adobe account. To start creating the animation, click the Make Animations for YouTube button. Select your character. In this video, I will use an anime girl character. After that, choose a background, or if you prefer you can upload your own image or background. Now select your target platform and video orientation. For the audio, you can either record your own voice directly. Make sure to give Adobe website access to your microphone or use our AI-generated voice from part 2. Click Choose an audio file to upload your audio. Once Adobe finishes processing our animation video, click the Download button to get our anime video. Here is the video result.
Welcome back, stargazers. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: comets. What are they, and why are they so fascinating? Let us dive into the cosmic world and uncover the mysteries of these celestial wonders.
Thank you for watching this AI animation tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Bye!